Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake and Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Chat GPT login not working. If you're not being able to log into your Chat GPT account from OpenAI and you'd like to learn how to fix the issue, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. While logging into your Chat GPT account, you'll need to type in your email address followed by a password. If you're entering an incorrect credential while logging in, you won't be able to log into your Chat GPT account. So make sure to enter the correct credential whenever you are logging in, and you'll have no problem logging into your account. If that's not the issue, and if it is something else, the next thing to try out is to clear out the cache and cookies from your web browser that you are using. Go to the top right hand corner and click on the three dots on the web browser that you are using, and in my case I'm using my Microsoft Edge web browser. If you're using a different web browser, then do not worry, the location will be similar for the options. In the expanded pop-up, click settings, and from the settings menu click on privacy, search and services. Scroll down and under clear browsing data, click on choose what to clear right next to clear browsing data. Now make sure that the box where it says cookies and other site data and cached images and files option has been checked. Make sure to uncheck the rest of the boxes if you don't want to lose any important data. After you are done clicking both of the boxes, click on clear now, and once you clear out your cache and cookies from the website, go back to the Chat GPT website and refresh the page once. Now try logging into your account again by entering your email address and the password and see if that fixes the issue. Sometimes because you are using an outdated web browser, you might not be able to log into various websites out there. So in order to fix the issue, click on the three dots at the top right again from your web browser and click on settings. At the bottom of the left side menu, you'll be able to see the about button. Click on the button and check for available update for your web browser. Once your web browser is up to date, you can now begin logging into your account again for Chat GPT. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you're not being able to log into your Chat GPT account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.